Why the Black Sea is not black is a question that has intrigued many people for centuries, because the image of the Black Sea in legends or folktales often carries the meaning of mystery, darkness, and incomprehension. In this article, we will explore the secrets behind the color of the Black Sea, explaining why the reality is so different from the popular image. We will delve into the scientific, environmental, cultural factors, as well as the perception of the Black Sea from many different angles to reveal the truth in the clearest and most comprehensive way. Discover the true characteristics of the Black Sea. In this section, we will start by analyzing the physical characteristics, chemical composition, and outstanding features of the Black Sea to have an accurate view of it. This helps to eliminate misconceptions about the color and nature of the sea. History of the formation and geographical location of the Black Sea. The Black Sea, located between Europe and Asia, is one of the largest inland sea systems in the world. It connects to the Mediterranean Sea through the Bosporus Strait, to the Sea of Azov through the Kerch Strait, and is linked to the Atlantic Ocean through a system of narrow straits and important waterways. The Black Sea was formed millions of years ago through a complex geological transformation, including the movement of tectonic plates and volcanic activity. Ancient oceanic periods have created a special geological structure, making this sea unique compared to other sea systems in the world. The geographical location of the Black Sea also greatly affects the regional climate, the Mercury cycle, and special natural phenomena such as tides, countercurrents, and the diverse ecological distribution around the area. Chemical composition of Black Sea water. Black Sea water contains many mineral compounds and microorganisms, of which the most prominent is the content of salt and dissolved minerals. However, interestingly, the salt content of the Black Sea is much lower than that of other seas, such as the Atlantic or Pacific Ocean, making the water not particularly cloudy or salty, as we often think. The chemical composition of Black Sea water also contains heavy metals, magnesium compounds, calcium, potassium, and organic compounds that serve diverse ecosystems. These factors contribute to the characteristic color of the sea that few people pay attention to, which is the reflection of light, the distribution of algae, and other natural factors. Outstanding optical and ecological features. What makes the Black Sea not black is the ability to reflect light and the distribution of seaweed. Under normal conditions, the seawater can appear as shades of blue, green, light gray, even sandy or dark gray, depending on the weather. Light and other environmental factors. The ecology of the Black Sea is quite special, with plankton species, tiny plankton living in the surface water, creating a variety of colors. These algae can change color according to the seasons, light conditions, temperature, and the amount of nutrients in the water. In the next section, we will delve deeper into the environmental factors that affect the color of the Black Sea and why it is not simply black as its name suggests. Environmental and ecological factors affecting the color of the Black Sea. We will explore the natural and human factors that affect the color, as well as how these factors contribute to changing the usual image of the Black Sea. Sunlight plays a major role in reflecting and dispersing light rays through the seawater. When the sun shines down, the shades of the sea depend on the angle of the light, the clarity of the water, as well as climatic conditions such as clouds, rain, and wind. For example, on a sunny day, the seawater can reflect a clear blue light, creating a clear and bright feeling. On the contrary, when the sky is overcast or cloudy, the color of the sea can turn gray or darker, even almost black. Severe weather conditions such as storms, strong winds, and high waves also make the seawater uneven in color, creating complex visual effects, making us easily mistaken for the sea being dark. One of the factors that determine the color of the sea is the types of seaweed growing in the water. Plankton algae, especially brown algae, red algae, blue-green algae, are capable of creating different shades from yellow, orange, red to dark blue, even black when large numbers grow strongly. The distribution and development of algae also depends on the temperature, salinity, and amount of nutrients in the water. Algae outbreaks or strong growing seasons often make the seawater have a characteristic color, and can even create phenomena such as blood sea or red sea. In addition, other plankton also contribute to the unique color of the sea, such as bioluminescent microalgae, which when stimulated will glow, creating an extremely attractive effect. The role of humans in changing the landscape and natural color of the Black Sea cannot be ignored. Activities such as fishing, mining, construction, shipping, and industrial waste discharge all directly or indirectly affect the marine environment. Pollution, especially the increase in organic compounds, heavy metals, and grease, causes water to be cloudy, reduces the ability to reflect light, and increases the darkness of the sea. These activities even cause algal blooms, changing the balance of the ecosystem, thereby affecting the overall color of the sea. In addition to scientific factors, psychological and cultural factors have contributed to the formation of the image of the Black Sea in the eyes of ancient and modern people. We will consider the influence of legends, beliefs, as well as the way people perceive the color of the sea in different cultures. Throughout history, the Black Sea has appeared in many myths and legends. The ancient Greeks considered this sea to be the origin of many myths about gods, monsters, and stories about supernatural powers. There is a legend that the Black Sea was once sealed by spirits or gods due to conflicts or sins of mankind. Therefore, the dark, mysterious color of the sea is also associated with mystery, danger, and invisible power. Other cultures such as Russia, Bulgaria, and Turkey all have their own legends about the Black Sea, describing it as a sacred, mysterious place, or a place containing undiscovered ancient secrets. In beliefs and folk beliefs, the black color of the sea is not only a natural image, but also symbolizes mystery, supernatural power, or a symbol of death and challenges. The ancients often used the image of the Black Sea to talk about challenges, the journey to overcome adversity of humans. Community psychology also strongly influences the perception of the sea. Many people are still afraid of the Black Sea because of its association with ghosts, darkness, loss, or supernatural forces. These legends and beliefs have shaped the way people perceive the Black Sea, making the word black a symbol of mystery and darkness. Not just a physical color, this makes the image of the Black Sea special and different from other seas, although in reality its color is not exactly black as rumored. Just like the Black Sea, many other legendary seas also have symbolic colors such as the Blue Sea of Japanese myths or the Red Sea of ancient Egyptian legends. These images all reflect the association between color and spiritual values, symbolizing strength, mystery, and challenge. After all the analysis of physical, environmental, ecological, and cultural characteristics, it can be affirmed that unveiling the truth, why is the Black Sea not black, is a comprehensive exploration of the diversity of natural colors and the factors that influence them. The black color in the name does not reflect the true nature of the sea at all. It is the result of natural factors, light reflection, algae growth, as well as spiritual and legendary elements that have long been associated with the sea. Understanding this helps us appreciate the multidimensional beauty of nature more, and at the same time gain a deeper understanding of how people perceive and construct images of their surroundings. The Black Sea, a rich, diverse, and mysterious ecosystem, is not black as its original name suggests. Its color reflects the complexity of nature, of its long-term development, and the interaction between ecological and climatic factors, as well as human spirituality. Unveiling this truth not only helps to clear up misunderstandings, but also expands knowledge about our journey of exploring the planet, thereby raising awareness of environmental protection and preserving traditional cultural values.